Smoke until a stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, talk just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all that.
What is going on, my dogs? It's like end of June. Went really fast. This Rona thing's getting pretty crazy down in Florida right now, so I'm kind of like laying low. But during this time of laying low, I've got this really good project going on. So I filmed some stuff with this E39 that I've got, like us picking it up, but it wasn't very much.
Almost fell. What's up?
Oh, what's going on?
How you doing, dude? Going to get a car today, dude. Hell yeah, man. This is gonna be tight.
State wagon, baby.
All right, so here we are. Finally arrived, and there she is, in all of her glory, the estate. I came over here and got it started and did a couple of things that I should have done on camera, but the reality of it is that this thing, the window got left down, the sunroof got kind of left cracked. You can see it by the auction house, and the floorboard was all wet. Kind of stinks in here a little bit. Started right up though, yeah. It started like freaking perfectly. It's got everything. I mean, I got a clean wheel for this. Like I got a nice one that's not torn and stuff. So a lot of that stuff's gonna be done. But dude, hello. Should we take a ride? It's not bad, dude. Not bad at all. It needs to be cleaned up and shit, but I love a good estate, man. I'm telling you, I really do. Look, it's missing this plastics under here. That's one thing that's kind of wrong with it, obviously, but all of that shit's fixable. It runs, doesn't have any check engine lights. Everything sounds good. Sounds like it's purring like a top. It's not a 540, so we don't have to worry about all the other crap that goes along with that. 525, it's freaking pure reliability. We got a lot of shit in the works for this thing. I'm telling you. I'm stoked for it. And hopefully, either we'll keep it and drive it or move it on to a nice new family or whatever else, but fuck yeah, man. Look at it. Rad. Look at this. Look at that. Whoever comes and picks this thing up is gonna have a freaking dead battery right there. Look at that. Unreal. Look at this. Hey, come check this out. Look at this Ford. This is the kind of shit I'm talking about. Look at the taillights. Like.
Oh, they left them on?
Yeah, dude. Like they left the lights on or something. That's pretty crazy, right? Maybe the brake switch is stuck or something. Either way, it's like, holy, who's that handsome devil? It's like, either way, it's like, holy crap, you know? Why would they do that? The headlights aren't on, which is odd. Probably like a brake switch or something that's stuck.
Well, they didn't flip the lights off.
I like that this has the all red tails too, not the like the half clears. Damn, let's pull her out.
It ain't long, but it's skinny.
The vessel, dude.
Yeah.
It ain't bad, man. You know? Needs a little bit, but it ain't bad at all. I'm stoked on it. I love the color of it too. Looks bitchin'.
Yeah, it is a nice blue.
Sick. So, just picked up the E38. About to get home with it. Couple of things. I mean, it's a little rougher than I hoped it was. Overall. I was hoping I'd get in this thing and drive like a dream, but that's obviously an odd expectation, so I don't really hate myself for it. But this thing's pretty fucking badass, honestly. And I'm really happy with it overall. I think it drives decent. It needs a few things. AC blows not super cold, so I'm gonna put a charge in it and get a couple other things for it, but I don't know. Well, I was thinking about just listing it and see what happens. Maybe I'll fix it and then list it, maybe drive it for a little while, but we'll see. That's all up in the air right now. I'm gonna end off the first video with the C39 right now because I just undertook a really crazy project today, and I think you guys are gonna be loving to see this, or you're gonna love to see this rather. So without further ado, here's what we got going on. As you know, I bought this E39 Touring from an auction. Oh, there you go. As you know, I bought this E39 Touring from an auction really 3 weeks ago. That's kind of, it needs stuff, you know, to say the least. I got some things back in here, my tools and stuff, but it needs things. But it's quite a nice car actually. It's Toledo Blue Metallic. It came on the BBS RS 740s, which are 2-piece from the factory. And it's a 525, it's a dog, you know, it ain't very fast, but it's quite the cruiser, man. And it's facelift. It's 2002. So it's got the facelift, meaning that it's got like factory self-leveling headlights, they're xenons, and then also they have a factory angel eye as well. But the interior's kind of sacked out on it. So I was like, you know, I knew that it was something that I wanted to address. Definitely, as you can see, you know, the seats are kind of torn right there, you know, and it's just not the cleanest thing in the world. And plus, I hate beige. I really do. I got a problem with beige. It's just not my thing. So, what does somebody do? You know, when they feel as though they hate that kind of thing and they want to go ahead and make the difference, what does somebody do? And I was just trolling the internet one day, and then I got a stroke of genius that hit me like a freaking ton of bricks. So we're gonna go back over here. All right, so, you know, what is a man supposed to do when he hates beige? And I just wanted to make something different and do something different with this Touring while I had it, you know, because I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it, or if I'm gonna keep it, or if this ends up really cool, then maybe I will keep it. We'll see. But I was trolling around on the internet, and I met a guy named Jason on Facebook, and he was selling basically the entire interior from a 2002 M5. And so and it's an E39 M5 obviously, and it just so happened to be the perfect color, like the exact color that basically is my favorite interior color that came in that you know, series of cars. And I'm just so stoked on this. I can't wait to show you guys. Hold on. All right, to start, we got the front seats, and if I'm not mistaken, I want to say it's like caramel is the color. And like, this is the passenger. It's basically mint all the way up. The driver's got some problems, like a little hole right there, right? But dude, that's clean, super clean. And then we go over here, and I got all of the leather wrapped under dash panels. Oh, fuck. All right, so yeah, I got all the leather wrapped dash lowers. Right, the center console's kind of broken. I have to figure that out. Maybe glue a piece in there or something. I'll figure it out. It's kind of cracked, but maybe I can get the leather off of it. I don't know. I'll sort that out. But so I got, like, look at that, dude. Even came with the phone and everything. That's so sick. All of it's leather wrapped. The factory E39 didn't come with all that stuff leather wrapped. It was just plastic, you know, which that's so sick. I got the rear seats, and so the rear seats, oh, there you go. The rear seats don't fit in the Touring. The sedan seats are the only difference in the Touring, at least from the windows down. The sedan seats are the rear seats don't fit in the Touring. But I'm gonna try to sort out how to get these to fit in there. I don't know. I'm gonna call an interior shop and see if they can help me out. But the bottoms, I think the bottoms fit. It's just the backs that don't. But I also got the black leather wrap dash. And it needs a little bit here and there. But, dude, it's so awesome, man. I'm so stoked. Door panels. The caramel door panel with the black top. Oh, man. It's freaking money, dude. You got the rears and then the fronts. Got the glove box. Under steering wheel. I got a new steering wheel for it too. Look at that. They're mint. Everything's so nice. Everything's so nice. I'm freaking stoked, man. I really am. One headrest. Oh, there's only one center headrest. Huh, I got that. Okay. He seemed like a thorough dude. He pretty much got everything. But either way, long story short, I'm freaking stoked on all this, man. I can't wait to put it all into this thing. So if it wasn't already obvious, I plan to document this whole thing on the channel, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I really do. I mean, I know it's been done before, obviously, but it's gonna be sweet to put an M5 interior into a touring. And yeah, watch out for episode 2. I think we're gonna do teardown in the next episode, kind of make sure and see what's going on with everything, make sure it all is gonna fit, and decide whether or not I'm gonna dye the carpets and what I'm gonna do with the headliner and stuff. And then we're gonna start reassembly probably in the 3rd episode. So definitely stay tuned. Thank you very much. We're definitely turning up and get the velocity going with us, and I don't plan to let the wave stop here. So thanks for rolling with Auction Dawg. Thanks for checking us out and sticking through this whole pandemic thing. I really do appreciate it. Peace out, my dogs. Talk to you soon.